Hi, I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, a custom furniture shop in St. Petersburg, Florida. And I'm here to talk to you about wood lathe and its components. Lathe is a pretty basic machine. It has a stand. Generally they'll have a stand. The smaller ones may not. They may be bench mounted. A power switch. The headstock, which generally contains the speed control unit. The tool rest to support your tools while you're turning. The tailstock for when you're turning between centers. And all these items are mounted directly to the bed of the lathe. Along with the speed control on the headstock, you'll also find the motor tucked in the back generally. They can range anywhere from 1/3 of a horse to 2 horse on the larger machines. A lathe of this size probably has a 3/4 horse motor. And basically, it powers the pulleys that hold the stock and provide the turning power that you need to turn your stock. It couldn't be a simpler machine. The motor turns a pulley, which spin your drive mechanism. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.